Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
C++ program to subtract complex number using operator overloading. Sure. Here's an example C++ program that subtracts two complex numbers using operator overloading. C. #include. Class complex. Public. Double real. Double imaginary. Complex operator. Complex const and objet. Complex res. Res. Real equals real. Objet. Real. Res. Imaginary equals imaginary. Objet. Imaginary. Return res. Int main. Complex A, B, C. Input the first complex number. std. Q< enter the first complex number, in the format a plus by. std. Sin greater than a. Real greater than a. Imaginary. Input the second complex number. std. Q< enter the second complex number, in the format a plus by. std. Sin greater than b. Real greater than b. Imaginary. Subtract the complex numbers using the overloaded operator. C equals A, B. Display the result. std. Q< result. Less than C. Real less than plus. Less than C. Imaginary less than I. Less than std. Endl. Return 0. In this program, the complex class has two double members, real and imaginary, representing the real and imaginary parts of the complex number. The operator is overloaded using a member function that takes a const reference to another complex object and returns a new complex object that represents the difference of the two complex numbers. In the main function, we create two complex objects A and B, and input their real and imaginary parts from the user. We then subtract the two complex numbers using the overloaded operator, and store the result in a third complex object. Finally, we display the result to the user. The end.